Now, this was one of my first choices that I really, really, really wanted from the Coach Powder Pink collection. And I think you can kind of see the shape of it, but I'm just going to unbox this one because this is the one I had my eye on. And I know a lot of people have their eyes on the Rowan and stuff, but I feel like I have so many Speedy 30s that kind of look similar to the Rowan, so I didn't want to get that one. I want to get something completely different. As you can see, I grabbed the Emily from the Signature Powder Pink. Let me slip that off. I love the detail of it. It's like a beautiful cherry blossom kind of flower on it. And I just really like the pastel soft pink. Now, I know I can get this bag easily dirty due to its light color, but it's just a matter of being careful with this bag. So they have a long strap for this one and a short one. I'm going to put this one in the right here so I can show you guys how it looks. I want to get one for my sister, but when I inquire about it, I don't think they had any more of these left. So I said, okay. But, wow. Like a kid in a candy store. And this is so adorable. There's no feet at it. Now they have another handle that I put inside the bag. It's like the shoulder strap crossbody. But me, I like to wear my bags like this. It's cute, small. It can carry a lot of things in here. Inside, it's a nice soft pink material, very spacious. And then on the side, you got like your little zipper right here inside. You put your cards. But I really like the shape of it. It just kind of reminds me of like a pink banana, the way it's shaped. But it is gorgeous, and I truly love the detail of it. I really love this Coach Powder Pink collection. I love this gold hardware in the brown. It's just a chef kiss. It's beautiful. So I grabbed this piece from the Coach Powder Pink collection. It just came out March 1st. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys. I was able to get a few items. I was part of that crowd that stayed up at 3. So I kind of try to see if I can get what I needed. So let's unbox this. Wow. So this is the Coach Powder Pink chain wallet that they had. I really usually don't do wallets, but what really appeared, that kind of grabbed my attention was the gold hardware. And I don't have any wallets that has gold hardware, so I did not want to go past this one. And I was thinking, maybe I'll get it, maybe I shouldn't, but something told me to grab it. Because funny enough, when I went to the Coach store, this was completely gone. Completely sold out. I feel like I'm making a huge mess right here. Wow. Look at that. Cute gold hardware. Sorry guys, I feel like I'm making a huge mess over here unboxing this wallet, but I am actually quite impressed. I'm going to open up this part. pull the little papers out. You know how that goes. Because these are meant to be used, not to be stuffed. There you go. This is the Coach chain wallet from the powder pink collection. Wow. So this is really adorable. You have space in here. Like, let me take this out. You can literally put your cards, your money in there. This is one of those wallets if you're going out for dinner. It's like, look, sir, you're going to take care of the bill because you're a gentleman. You carry this. You can put a small little perfume sample in here. Little cards or change right here in the back. But man, this color is just so stunning. Look at the beautiful brown that just goes across. Very classy. Little. This is something I would wear if I'm going to Great America. You know, you don't carry those big bags. These cute little dainty bags are just perfect. And I love the gold hardware. It's just beautiful. I'm happy I grabbed this one and I did not let this go. This is so gorgeous. From the Powder Pink collection, I grabbed the Coach Claire. It's a beautiful shoulder bag. It's a nice little evening bag, and I really like this little pocket in the back. It gives you room to put your coins and maybe like a small little card. Opening it, you have so many pockets. It's just right. And one of the best parts, it has a zipper right here. So you got some important documents or anything you want to put in there, you got to secure nice and safe. It won't drop. And even when you close it, magnetic flap, of course, you're not going to drop anything. It looks tiny, but it holds a lot of stuff. And the pink is just so gorgeous. I love it. And I love the gold hardware that says Coach right there. And the gold chains to match it. It is very beautiful. This is from the Coach Outlet Signature Powder Pink collection that came out March 1st. I love this bag. I can't get enough of pink. I love pink, and if you love pink, don't miss out on this bag.
Now then, so the strong command.